Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial videos of TechRover. In this quick tutorial video I just want to show you how to delete your Mobile Legend account and start with new one to make your account smooth. So let's get started. First of all, I checked for all videos on YouTube. There were a lot of videos I tried that I couldn't delete my account, but there I find a way, and I want to show you and I share this video with you guys to delete your Mobile Legend accounts, and it worked 100%. So just first of all I want to check for my Mobile Legend account, which is here Kaneki Khan. I'm in Epic. If you want you can add me, we can play together. Anyway, we get out of here and we're gonna go on to setting of our phone. Just click on the setting and we will see what we have next. We are going into apps. We have the applications. Actually you can see in here we have apps. Click on the apps and then go to Google Play services. Now it's loading. We're gonna wait and we're gonna find the Google Play services in our phone. So once we got in the Google Play services, we're gonna click on that, and then I'm gonna click on where we get the page, and we're gonna click on the storage. Sorry, I click on Betsy, but not that storage, and then clear this one. First just clear it, click on the clear, and then go into manage storage and then clear data, and you will get a message about clearing your data. Don't worry about it, just click on the OK, and there you lose your account here. So to next step we're gonna go into Mobile Legend. Now we're searching for Mobile Legend from here in applications, and just once you got in Mobile Legend, clicking on Mobile Legend application to get the menu. We are here in Mobile Legend and just click on the storage. So we are going into click on storage and then click on the clear data. You don't need to uninstall your Mobile Legend account, you just need to clear its data. Once you're done, just close this page and go into your Mobile Legend account, and there you will see your account will be deleted. Anyway, I will show you now. So we're gonna close the applications and we go into the Mobile Legend account. Now we're gonna start it from here, and this is my game launcher. I'm gonna check out for that. Sorry, my phone's a little lazy. So I'm gonna clicking on Mobile Legend account and we're gonna play now with our new account. It's loading my account now. So allow me. Okay, I allow you to make a folder file place on my storage of my phone. So anyway, we are going into Mobile Legend with our new account. It's loading now. So this is the Kimi. Wow, yeah, it's also very amazing hero I have here. And just we are going into Mobile Legend account. We're waiting, and then you can see my battery is going to die. As you can see, this is our new account. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can write a comment. Don't forget to share it with your friends, my friends. And you can see it works 100% that you can start with new accounts. So anyway guys, I'm here with you to help you solve your problems. Goodbye, see you up to next tutorial videos.